Hello friends, today we are going to make spinach egg stew. This is very delicious. Welcome to Healthy Living Fitter by Florence Tracker, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and healthy, easy spinach egg stew. This is healthy, delicious, and we are just going to add things together and see how it comes out. So stay with me as I put everything together. I'll see you right back here. So these are the ingredients I'm using in today's spinach egg stew. I'm going to use green pepper, and then I'm using 2 hot peppers. I have 2 garlic, a ginger. I'm using maggie cubed for flavor. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. I have 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then I have 1 tablespoon of all seasoning that we are going to use. You can use any seasoning of your choice. This is adobo seasoning, and then we are going to use spinach. This is already washed, and then just put it in the strainer to drain the water out, and that's what we are going to use. And then we are going to use 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. If you have the fresh one, that's good. I don't have fresh, so I'm using the dry one. We are going to use 6 tomatoes, and then we are using eggs in addition, and I'm using 4 eggs as well. And so I'm just going to start taking all this off, and we are using 1 red onion as well. So I just have all these washed clean, and then I'm just going to cut them. So I have a pan on the heat, and we are going to add 4 tablespoons of oil, and that should be enough. And the pan is already warm, so we are just going to put our ingredients in. I'm going to put in the onions. Just this a little bit. I'm gonna saute this for 3 minutes. All right, this is sauteing at least 1 to 2 minutes. We're just gonna stir. We don't want to cook this through too much. I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic that we just chopped, and I'm gonna stir this in. Smelling good already. I'm gonna saute this 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so 1 to 2 minutes is up. We're gonna stir this, and then I'm gonna put in the pepper. Stir this together. It's smelling so good. I'm gonna saute this for 1 minute with everything. Saute this 1 to 2 minutes again. So we're gonna stir this. It's smelling so good. And I'm gonna put our tomato in here all together. Alright, as this is cooking, I'm going to add our garlic salt so it can all incorporate nicely. We are adding our adobo seasoning, 1 tablespoon. I'm adding cayenne pepper, and I'm going to stir everything together. It's coming along nicely. This doesn't take long to do. A quick spinach egg stew that you can eat it with anything. We're just gonna let this cook down. Gonna make it 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, and we are going to stir our stew. It's cooking down good. This is nice. This is great. And then I'm just gonna make it cook another 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, we're gonna stir this and we are going to add our spinach. This is going to be delicious. As you can see, dumping this in here. Mix everything in here. Just have to stir and incorporate everything nicely for it to cook. It's looking good. Alright, I am going to add our Maggie cube to this so it will incorporate everything together. This is very healthy spinach egg stew you can make. The spinach contains a lot of iron. That is good. Green leaves, anything green is very healthy for the body. We're gonna let this cook for 1 to 3 minutes and we are going to stir. Okay, so we are going to stir. It has cooked down nicely. I am going to put in our green pepper. As that is in, we stir everything together and I am going to add our eggs. Alright, and I'm just going to add our eggs. We are using 4 eggs. Leave it on low heat for it to simmer nicely. And I am going to add our parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, and it can all cook together. Alright, we are going to stir our spinach egg stew. Look at how good it's looking. It's gonna taste good. You can see the egg is still cooking and we are just gonna let it cook a little bit more. Egg is just fresh in there. This looks so yummy. Oh well. Let's stir. Now you can see our spinach egg stew is almost ready. See how nicely it comes all green. This is very going to be very delicious, and this is ready for us. Our stew is ready. Alright, so our spinach egg stew is ready. Look at how yummy, delicious it looks. You can see our delicious spinach egg stew is ready. It smells so good and I am going to give it a taste, and this is delicious. Hello, so we just finished making our spinach egg stew and I'm gonna give it a taste. Smells good. This is so simple. Taste all the spice, everything we put in there, and this is really good because we have a lot of ions in the spinach, which is good for us. And also you notice there's a little liquid. That is because spinach contains a lot of water, so whenever you add spinach to anything, it's gonna get a lot of juice out of it. And this is all good. You can eat this with rice, with yam, this with bread. You can make a sandwich with this. You just put it in between your bread and you have a full meal. And this alone, the spinach egg stew alone, is a meal on its own that you can eat, and it smells so good. I love it, and the taste is just so perfect. So I'd love for you to try this and just leave a comment for me and see how it tastes for you. If you are not a spice person, you don't have to put any spice in here. That is up to you. Just make it as your own, how you will like it. And if the spice, you can omit anything in here that you don't like and just make it your own. You can even use just eggs and spinach and just make spinach omelette, and that is going to taste good as well. Spinach has a lot of iron and it's really good for us. It's greens, so always try to incorporate greens a little bit in your meals, and that's what I do. I use spinach in different ways to make meals, so this is one of the ways I want to show you, and I hope this video helps you in any way. And if it does, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me. I'll get back to you as always. I thank you for watching the video. Stay healthy, stay blessed. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.